Good morning, all of you. Present here again. Welcome in Sanskar Public School in e-learning session. As you know well, our chapter was going on social and religious awakening. That is the chapter 9 of the history. Now the same chapter is going on, and we will study about the next topic. You know well, in this chapter we have read about the social and the religious topic. यानी कि what the religious problem, what the social problem in our society during the British rule. So now we are focusing over these topics, how these social evils removed from the society and how our society became developed. So same as in the previous video we have read about the Sati system, Brahma Samaj, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, but today we are going to learn about the step which was taken by the social reformer and the leaders to improve the education condition for the females. So our topic is the first step towards the women's education. यानी कि first step which was taken by the few Britishers also, like the Darogian, like the Bethune, those who took the very major step and helped the Indians to promote the women's education, and that was all the effects, that was the step which were taken by them. ये वो एक movements थे, वो step थे which helped today us also. That's why we are teaching us and we are learning. यानी कि girls are taking the education with the boys in the same college, in the same syllabus, by a same teacher. So that is the efforts of the British government, especially Darozian, Bethune and the some others also. Among of them the few Indians also, and these Indians, who were the Indians? Now, number one, so which were the staff? Bethune. Just I told you, the Bethune was the first Britisher, those who opened the so many school in 1849. He opened the first girls' school. In this school, they taught the Western education to the girls without taking a money. यानी कि they didn't took any money to providing the education to the girls, because that was the time when the people thought that girls are not having a right to getting the education. So obviously the leader knows well that when the parents have to pay the money, then they will never send their girls to getting the education. That's why at very starting they provided the education to the girls free of cost. The first school of the girls was opened in 1849, which was opened by the Bethune. Next, the Vidyasagar. We know well who was the Vidyasagar. If the question will come, then you have to write. The Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a social reformer and the principal of Sanskrit College in Calcutta. And when he felt a very bad condition, then he started the movement against the widows condition, and then they promote the widows remarriage also. By the efforts of the Vidyasagar, the widow remarriage was started in 1856, and the act was passed by the British government. That act was the Widow Remarriage Act. He also took the major step to promote the women's education. For an example, in their college, in which college he was the principal, he opened the admissions for the girls and they didn't take any fees. कोई fees नहीं लेते थे. Without a fees, they promote the girls' education. Even with the help of the Darogian, Darogian was also the Britishers, those who gave the special efforts to promote the women's education. For that, he had opened the two societies and the two schools also, in which they promote the Western education and English education to the girls. In this school, they have to taught the girls Western education, English education, and to promote the participation of the females in the social and the political activities also. So Vidyasagar also opened the women's college in Bengal. Now the question is arises कि why the Vidyasagar opened the college in Bengal? I already told कि in our history, Indian history, how many movements was going on, how many movements was started. The most of the movements were started from the Punjab, Calcutta and Bengal, because the Punjab, Bengal and Calcutta were the large provinces, means large state, a lot of population was there. यानी कि country की most of population कहाँ belong करती थी? Punjab, Bengal and Calcutta में. And women condition की अगर हम बात करें तो especially the women condition was very worst in the Bengal and the Calcutta. That's why the starting should started from there. इसीलिए स्टार्टिंग भी वहीं से होनी चाहिए थी. दैट वाज द मेन मोटो ऑफ ऑल social reformer. And because the most of the areas were very backward where the development was not there. डेवलपमेंट बहुत दूर दूर तक नहीं था, वहां पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहा था, वो एरिया थे. दैट्स व्हाई द ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर हैड डिसाइडेड टू ओपन द फर्स्ट फीमेल कॉलेज इन बंगाल. नेक्स्ट इज दादाभाई नौरोजी. Dadabhai Nauroji was also the Persian and who also want to promote the females education. And Dadabhai Nauroji, one more question is there, I am telling you. Dadabhai Nauroji was also the first Indian England ambassador, unofficial ambassador. Dadabhai Nauroji was the first unofficial ambassador. ये पहले ऐसे एम्बेसडर थे जो ऑफिस की तरफ से यानी कि ब्रिटिश की तरफ से नहीं गए थे, खुद ही इंग्लैंड विजिट करने के लिए गए थे. इन 1906 दादाभाई नौरोजी वाज आल्सो इलेक्टेड द मेंबर ऑफ द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट. ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर्स भी बने. अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ द दादाभाई नौरोजी फर्स्ट टाइम द कांग्रेस पास्ड देयर फर्स्ट रेजोल्यूशन एंड द रेजोल्यूशन वाज स्वदेशी, बॉयकॉट, पूर्ण स्वराज and the national education. You should learn this. What is the mean of it? Swadeshi. Swadeshi means the all Indian promote. यानी कि Congress leader had decided कि we will promote the Swadeshi things. We will use only that thing which was prepared in India. जो इंडिया की इंडस्ट्रीज के थ्रू प्रिपेयर की जाएगी, कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री, स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री जो इंडियंस के थ्रू बनाई जाएगी. We will use it only. Boycott. Boycott means to remove the foreign good. यानी कि we will not purchase the foreign good. We will abolished it, we will left it. And Purna Swaraj, now we don't want, यानी कि कांग्रेस had decided कि we will not require the independence, we will require the पूर्ण स्वराज. पूर्ण स्वराज means यानी कि पूरे भारत पर सिर्फ अपना ही राज होना चाहिए, इंडियंस का राज होना चाहिए, ब्रिटिश का कोई इंटरफेयर नहीं होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल एजुकेशन, यानी कि दे वांट टू प्रमोट द नेशनल इंडियन एजुकेशन, नॉट टू द वेस्टर्नाइजेशन. यानी कि इंडियन लीडर अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ द दादाभाई नौरोजी, कांग्रेस बिकेम द मोर पावरफुल एंड द मोर स्ट्रेंथ एंड दे गॉट अ पावर टू पास द सच टाइप ऑफ द रेजोल्यूशन इन विच डायरेक्टली दे गो against of the British government. So Dadabhai Nauroji also led the foundation of the women's college in Bombay, because in not a proper Bombay but nearby the Bombay there are so many backward areas where the women's condition was very bad. That's why Dadabhai Nauroji took a major step. Even the Dadabhai Nauroji in that area visit door to door visit kiya, and then they request to the peoples to send their girls to the school. उन्होंने लोगों से request की to send the girls to the school without giving any money. They were starting to provide the education to the girls. Next is Jyotirao Phule. Jyotirao Phule was also the social reformer. His wife also, the Savitribai Phule, was the first teacher of the India. Yani Savitribai Phule was the wife of the Jyotirao Phule, was the first teacher of the India, and he also took the major steps to promote the girls' education. You know, Savitribai Phule, when she was got married with the Jyotirao Phule, but the Jyotirao Phule was very ambitious person. He want to talk to their wife. वो अपनी wife को पढ़ाना चाहते थे और उन्होंने पढ़ाया भी. But when the Savitribai Phule became educated, then she also want to promote the education among the widows lady especially, because they want if the widows lady will become the independent, will be the educated, then they can become the self independent, then they can raise their voice against the orthodox practice which was going on with them. वो उस प्रैक्टिस के अगेंस्ट आवाज उठा सकती है, वो उस गलत चीज के खिलाफ आवाज उठा सकती है जो सब कुछ उनके साथ होता है और जो नहीं होना चाहिए. After that, the Savitribai Phule opened the first girls college. उन्होंने जब पहला प्राइमरी स्कूल खोला गर्ल्स के लिए, और जब वहां पर गर्ल्स का आना शुरू हुआ, so you can't believe how much aggression and what type of the feeling they have to suffer. The society didn't welcome him. Society ने उन्हें welcome नहीं किया. When the Savitribai Phule went to their school, जब वो अपने घर से अपने स्कूल के लिए निकलती थी, तो कभी उन पर गोबर फेंक दिया जाता था, कभी उनके ऊपर गंदगी फेंकी जाती थी, अब्यूजिंग वर्ड उनके लिए यूज किए जाते थे, पत्थर मारे जाते थे, गर्ल्स को स्कूल में भेजा नहीं जाता था. तो वेरी वर्स्ट कंडीशन वाज देयर. अगेन दैट आर्य समाज, यानी कि व्हेन द सोसाइटी, सो मेनी सोसाइटी वाज ऑलरेडी, So many societies was also formed there, like Arya Samaj, like Brahma Samaj, Prarthana Samaj, Satya Social Samaj. So among of them, the each society and the each organization was also participate to promote the girls' education, and they also promote the societies also. They want to uplift the better life standard and the conditions of the females and the society after removing the social evil. So in the form of the organization, the Arya Samaj under the leadership of the Swami Dayanand Saraswati was also set up the girls college in Punjab. Just I told you that Punjab and Bengal was the large provinces, and these provinces all movements and the all starting was had started from the Punjab. So now we will talk about the few reformers. How many reformers were there among of them? When this reforming system, when the education system was started to promote, then the few ladies were there, those who took a step forward, जिन्होंने एक कदम और आगे बढ़ाया. Among of them, the few ladies were like the Pandita Ramabai and the Rasundari Devi and Kailash Vasindi Devi and Tarabai Shinde. So many ladies were there, those who start the writing, यानी कि those who participate in the writing, जिन्होंने writing में part लिया, and they had wrote the autobiography. Autobiography means two type of the biographies are there. Number one, we call the biography which has written by the other one. For an example, someone is writing about my life, so that is called the my biography written by the other person. If I am writing, अगर मैं खुद लिख रही हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग अबाउट माई स्ट्रगल, अबाउट माई लाइफ, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द ऑटोबायोग्राफी. ऑटोबायोग्राफी मीन्स विच वॉज रिटन बाय सेल्फ, जो खुद लिखी गई है. तो अमंग ऑफ देम राशुंदरी देवी वॉज अ लेडी, दोज हु हैव रिटन अबाउट देयर स्ट्रगल, दैट इज कॉल्ड द अमर जीवन. अमर जीवन, Amar Jeevan was the autobiography, was the Rashundari Devi. So now let's start to know well about the women staff into the writing. How many women? What the staff was taken by the women about the writing? What were they writing? कैसे लिखा? कितना लिखा? We should know well. So first of all, the first women's writing. So we should know about the ताराबाई शिंदे, who was the first graduate, जिन्होंने first time इंडिया में, यानी कि she was the first lady, those who have done about her graduate, जिन्होंने पहला graduate किया. So now in the 19th of the century, women trade. Now that was the time of the 19th century when the female were started to be the doctor, or started homemaker. यानी कि ladies अब क्या करने लगी? How many ladies were inspired by the social reformer? They became the doctor, they became first graduate, they became the first writer, they became the homemaker, and the others also. So among of them we will start the few one. For an example, in Bengal, Rashundari Devi, यानी कि डेवलपमेंट भी कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? बंगाल से. When we have started to open the girls school, to start the movements to uplift the women condition, that's why development we have seen in Bengal also. इसीलिए हमने सबसे पहले डेवलपमेंट कहाँ देखा? बंगाल में. तो इन बंगाल द रासुंदरी देवी, Rashundari Devi was the lady, those who have a young married girl and learn and read well, and she wrote their autobiography. यानी कि Rashundari Devi written the autobiography and called the Amar Jeevan. Amar Jeevan, that is, यानी कि Amar Jeevan means the life, about the struggle of the life. Next the and it was published in Bengali language, यानी कि बंगाल में हुआ, पब्लिश भी किस में हुआ? बंगाली लैंग्वेज. Why? यानी कि listen again, the development we have seen in Bengal, because the all movement and the first girls school was opened in Bengal. Number one, first is the Rashundari Devi. Those who have written their autobiography and name was the Amar Jeevan. It was published in Bengali language. Why? Because the Bengali people listen and understand only the Bengali language very well. That's why